watch this because hi Dad, and I really want to show you this Angry Birds Space Toy. It's the Angry Birds Space Super Leopard cube game, and I really want to show you this. And you can just put if you want to see more videos, click this button, and if you want to see more about it.
Sure, Emma.
You can,
watch Joshy.
You can put you can hit,
Joshy, look up here.
You can hit Q
and talk.
Button, and if you want to see more, go on the YouTube.com on the computer or iPad or iPhone or on Kindle. But right now I want to show you this cool toy.
All right.
But right now,
what are you going to show me?
I'm going to open it. So,
okay.
If you move the camera right down to the floor, it will be
okay. Over here. I'm over here. I'm zooming.
It's going this almost. Hey, man, come out of here! Man, come out of here! Okay, I'll try to jump this.
There you
That's
go.
better. Ooh, I got some stuff.
Okay.
Ooh, wow, I got little figures. This is cute. Here we have Iceberg. An iceberg was a bird that lived in space, and he was really cool because he was a cube, and he really cool, and he landed in space. But when he came down to Earth and he crashed, and it was a little hurt, but then all the birds came and see him, and it was dead. It was a little hurt, so all the birds came and saw him. Like this. I'm mad at you. What is this place? Okay, and that's it. Iceberg's like, and he's like, oh my God, my space like, I'll go back into the world. And he goes all the way back into space.
Oh, okay. And then he goes back to his home planet.
And then, when the Angry Birds saw it, it's like, they're going too. And then the Angry Birds are in the same place Iceberg. Here we have Blackbird. Here, sports, but he didn't have a saddle ring on it. But he's still black. Here we have Whitebird, but this guy was not in Space Angry Birds. He's only in Angry Birds Seasons or Angry Bird regular season or Angry Birds Star Wars. And now we have double Icebergs, which I know, but I know you saw the story of Iceberg already, so I will show you. And now I will show you these pigs, the ice pigs. They're frozen. So ice helmet pig, we have an ice regular pig. You can take a closer look if you move the camera farther. And you see these pigs, if the pigs might, if I take a closer look with my hands,
yeah, I'm seeing
it might be good because these pigs are really pigs are frozen in ice because iceberg froze them. And now we have the big super Leopard ball. He's big up in ball, but he sounds like tennis. See what that is like, but sounds different when you put him on a Kindle screen. But when Super Leopard, this guy cracks if you drop. This thing cracks in half if you drop him. But if the face cracks, you have to throw it away. But if the face doesn't crack, it just cracks in half. There's a little buckle to put it back together.
All right, we good?
Yep,
that's the end of the show?
Yep.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, YouTubers.